Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to integrate a Nextdoor element into your WordPress website. In this tutorial, you will learn how to seamlessly add Nextdoor by following a series of clear and straightforward instructions. We begin by directing you to your WordPress homepage. Once you navigate to the WordPress website, you will need to look towards the top right corner where you will find the login option. Selecting this login option will begin your authentication process, ensuring that you have secure access to your account. After clicking on login, you will be prompted with a variety of options for signing in. For a smoother experience, you can choose to continue using your Google account by clicking the option labeled Continue with Google. This method is convenient for many users who already have their Google credentials set up and prefer a one-click sign-in process. Once you have clicked this option, you will be asked to choose your Google account from the available list. Be sure to select the account associated with your WordPress site so that the subsequent steps link correctly to your website. Once you have successfully logged in, your attention should shift to the quick link section that is prominently displayed on your dashboard. In this section, you should find an option titled Edit Site. By clicking Edit Site, you will be taken directly to the editing interface where you can make modifications to your website. At this stage, your next step is to select your specific website from the list of websites you have access to. Clicking on your website brings up the website editor, which is your central hub for making all kinds of changes and updates. Within the website editor, you will notice a plus icon in the top left corner of your screen. This icon is an invitation to add new components to your website. Once you click on this icon, you will see a search bar where you should type in the term Nextdoor. The search functionality allows you to quickly locate the Nextdoor integration option among the various available elements. When the Nextdoor option appears in your search results, simply click on it. This action will add the Nextdoor element directly to your website, integrating it into your design layout. After adding the Nextdoor element, the next step involves linking your account by embedding your unique Nextdoor URL. In the provided field, enter your URL carefully to ensure it is accurate, and then click on the Embed option to complete the connection process. The successful embedding of your URL will allow your website to communicate with your Nextdoor account, ensuring that visitors have access to the Nextdoor feature. For finalizing your changes, it is important to save your work. To do this, find the Save button located in the top right corner of the screen and click it. Saving your updates is a crucial step because it secures all the modifications that have been made to your website and ensures that the Nextdoor integration is active and functioning properly. By following these instructions sequentially, you have effectively integrated Nextdoor into your WordPress site, enabling you to provide visitors with enhanced functionalities seamlessly. Enjoy the benefits of having a more connected and accessible website as a result of this integration process.